Hello everyone, my name is Minnie Sethi. I hope you all are staying healthy. Today we are going to talk about meaning of industrial relations, objectives of industrial relations, factors affecting industrial relations, and causes of industrial disputes and main approaches to industrial relations. So let's start it. So what is industrial relations? Industrial relations study about complex interrelations among employers, employees, trade union, employers association and government. As we know, so many individuals and groups are involved in industry like employers, employees, trade union, employers association and government also. And industrial relations basically study about complex interrelation among all individuals and groups that are involved in industry. If there is any conflict, it's try to resolve it so that we can efficiently run our organization. Now we will see objectives of industrial relations. And objectives of industrial relations are maintain peace in organization, protect the interest of labor, enhance economic status of labor, avoid conflict, raise production capacity, lower the rates of labor turnover and absenteeism. Now we will see factors that affect industrial relation. First factor that affect industrial relation is institutional factors. Institutional factors include your state policy, labor laws, collective bargaining agreements and labor union. Second is economic factors. Economic factors include which type of approach your organization follow, socialistic approach or capitalistic approach. If you follow socialistic approach, that means you are thinking about welfare of employees. On the other hand, capitalistic approach, you only think about your profit. Second thing in economic factor include which type of business you have, domestic, MNC or government organization. What are sources of your labor supply? And what is the wage rate and unemployment rate in economy? Next is social factor. Social factor include caste, values, norms, belief and social status of people. Next two factors that affect industrial relations are technological factors. Technological factors include work methods, production methods and type of technology you use. And psychological factors include attitude, perception, motivation, morale, interest of individual. And political factors include system of government, attitude of government for labor problem and involvement of political parties in trade union activities. Enterprise related factors include style of management, organization structure, competitors, etc. Last is global factors. Global factors include international relations, global conflict and international trade agreements. Now we are going to talk about causes of industrial disputes. So what is industrial disputes? Industrial disputes are conflicts or we can say the disagreement among individuals and groups who are involved in industry. But why these disputes arise? What are causes of industrial dispute? First cause of industrial dispute is economic causes. Economic causes are related to wages, bonus, working condition, working hours, leave, holiday without pay, etc. And managerial causes include non-recognition of union, violation of agreement, and ill treatment by manager and supervisor. And political causes means, as we know, some political parties instigate management against workers and workers against management so that they can fulfill their selfish political motives. But these can be become cause of industrial dispute. Some other causes of industrial disputes are union rivalry, workload, rules, regulation, service condition, safety measures, and non-implementation of agreements and awards. Now we will see three main approaches to industrial relations. First is unitary approach, second is pluralistic approach, last is Marxist approach. One by one we will discuss about each. First approach to industrial relations is unitary approach. Unitary approach believe in unity. According to this approach, we should bring together efforts of individuals for teamwork so that we can achieve our common goal. And according to unitary approach, conflict between management and workers are temporary. And unitary approach suggests we should direct negotiate with employees. instead of involving a union, government, courts or tribunals. Second approach is pluralistic approach. According to this approach, so many individuals work in organization. They all have own characteristics, values, beliefs, interests and opinions which are different from others. Because of these differences, conflicts are obvious. We cannot avoid conflict. That's why, according to this approach, realistic manager should accept conflict, and we can easily resolve conflict with the help of collective bargaining. Next is Marxist approach. Like pluralistic approach, Marxists also believe conflicts are unavoidable. We cannot avoid conflict. That's why we should accept conflict. And according to Marxist approach, main motives of all economic activities like production, manufacturing, distribution is earning profit. So in order to earn maximum profit, capitalists pay less wages to labor, means they do exploitation of labor. So in order to protect themselves from the exploitation of capitalists, labor make trade union, and trade union fight for change, because conflict can only resolve by changing capitalist system whole. So this is all about industrial relations. I think you got it, and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye, take care.